Hey, it's Tuesday, March 26th. We're here at Kelly O'Brien's restaurant in Coquitlam, New West, and we're doing the patio. It's got its moss and mildew, whatnot. Just having a situation right now with getting the water turned on. If not, we'll just run it right through the restaurant. But okay, we're about to use the surface cleaner, but before we did, we pre-laid down a detergent solution of bleach and soap. It's soaked in now. Many places don't do this. I don't know why. It's almost laziness on the part of the pressure washer, because just to spend the 15 minutes with the downstream injector to put some soap and bleach, it makes things so much better. So anyway, we're back at Kelly O'Brien's in New West, and we're going to continue on with the rotary surface cleaner and then use the turbo nozzle to rinse everything nicely. Okay, next stage. The main cleaning's been done with the rotary surface cleaner, but you'll obviously see all the dirt and sand that comes out between the cracks of the paver, so it looks horrible right now. But the next step is to do a nice blast and clean with the turbo nozzle, and then we're going to give it a nice rinse and probably give it a blow dry with a leaf dryer. So again, it looks horrible right now, but the main cleaning was done with the rotary surface cleaner. And then next is the turbo nozzle, and then the rinse. Okay, we've given it a once over with the turbo nozzle, and we still have to rinse and do it again. But the situation you deal with now is, as you can see, all this muck and the dirt. So I just use a squeegee, and we have to put it in a pail and throw it out. The rest I should be able to move here all over to the back. But that's another situation you deal with pavers on a patio. You just get tons and tons of muck to get rid of. So we'll get rid of that. And you'll see, like, I made a wash line to here, and then you see where I shoveled and there's muck. So we'll get rid of the muck. Then we'll do one more turbo nozzle, hopefully a rinse, and then a blow with the leaf blower. Okay, we're all done. This took way longer than I suspected. There was lots and lots of mud and debris. But you know, you do what you do to finish the contract and make the customer happy. So we basically started off with a pre-detergent wash. Then we used the rotary surface cleaner. Then we used the turbo nozzle. Then we had to clean up buckets and buckets of the sand and dirt. And then we used the rotary surface nozzle again. And then we did a nice rinse of everything. So it came out fantastic. It's just drying now. When it dries, it'll look even better, but I got to get going. Like I say, it took me literally a lot longer than I suspected. So here we go with the wonderful Kelly O'Brien's patio. They should be quite happy with the work. It came out very nice. This is Blair Welsh, owner-operator, Welsh Brothers Contracting. Thank you. Give me a call, 778-928-6998.